Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, very nice movement for the markets today, and it's created now some very interesting scenarios going forward. So these levels and annotations that I talked about previously, sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not necessarily relevant right now. So I'll use these annotations for some of the near-term levels. And the first key level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, myself included, is right here at 235, which was essentially the lows from today, which has now established itself as a good firm area of support. So if the price were to roll back over, you're going to have long, shorts, and everybody in between watching and wondering, is this level going to actually hold up, or is the price going to fail and break down through there? Because if it does fail and break through there, at that point, no such thing as a guarantee, obviously, but it wouldn't be shocking to see the price then drift downwards to this former area of support, this former area of resistance, which would now be considered an area of support down there around the 228 mark. So 235, like I said, it's not even close to being threatened right now, but in the event it does become and come into play again, a whole lot of people are going to be watching that level as a very interesting level of support now going forward. In terms of levels of resistance, not quite there yet, but again, this is one of these levels where everybody and their brother, especially the breakout players, are going to be watching right here at 248. 248 was a former area of support right here, and then this is just classic technical analysis. When levels of support are broken, which it was right there, they tend to act as resistance, and you can see after it was broken, acted as resistance there, acted as resistance once again right there. So like I said, still some work to be done, but if the price can work its way up to 248, a whole lot of people are going to be watching, wondering, can that level fail? And when a whole lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. So that's exactly what we have going on with both these levels. Again, 235 support, 248 level of resistance. But yeah, let's see if the price can continue to build upon this upwards momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.